Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin sa reaction video ang Barda compilation because why not? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Dito muna tayo. Gusto ko lang ito marinig kasi may question dito. May question dito na ng single na kasi si Barbie. Tapos, parang tinanong ata ni Tito Boy about si David. Although matagal na to, pero syempre nakakalimutan din naman natin, di ba? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. About sa pagiging girlfriend.
Oo, hindi. Depende. Kung maging girlfriend mo si Barbie, why did you say depende?
Ay, depende palang sinagot niya. At least hindi. Di ba? At least hindi. So, may chance talaga, may possibility talaga. During this time, during this time for today's video. Pero prior to this interview, kasi basically, bago pa ito naganap, naglabas na ng official statement si Barbie. Ang mga litratong meron ako dito, chares. Ayoko na mag-talk. Tsaka yung Canada, di ba? Anong meron sa Canada? Di ba? Bago pa maglabas ng official statement si Barbie, bago pa ito and everything, may bali-balita na talaga. Yun na lang yun, para safe tayo.
Whatever happens.
Para safe tayo.
Depende. Kung maging girlfriend mo si Barbie, why did you say depende?
I mean, who knows, di ba?
Who knows?
Whatever happens, happens. If it
Totoo.
happens, it happens. Diba? But at this point, like, not really. I'm just going with the flow. Yeah.
Gaano kayo ka-close,
Yeah.
David?
Really close.
Really
Constantly
close.
talking to each other? Do you check on each other as
Aha.
friends?
Chares.
Ano yung closeness?
Aha.
Paminsan, magkakamustahan kami via text. Ganyan. Kakamusta lang. Ganun. Parang,
Kakamusta
what's happening
lang.
na. Kamusta siya? Kamusta yung movie na ginagawa?
Ay, bakit kayo nagkakamustahan?
It's more of that, like,
Chares, dati hindi naman kayo nagkakamustahan, di ba?
We're together, like shooting
Di ba?
commercials. Lately kasi wala naman kaming teleserye, Tito Boy, so it's more
Di
of
ba?
the endorsements that we're doing. Yeah, we talk about everything.
Dati naman wala, di ba? Charis, di ba dati naman wala? Kung kailan naman yun, wala kayong project.
That you were single almost during the time when they announced that they had broken up. I'm talking about Barbie and Jack.
Yes!
And
Because,
inevitably,
Charis,
hindi na iwasan na si David kaya ang cause ng paghihiwalay ni Jack at saka ni Barbie.
hindi.
You're aware of this, no?
Yeah.
Hindi.
Did you and Barbie talk about it? And what is your stand? I mean, what do you want to say about it?
Well, one thing's for sure, directly, I did not do, I'm not part of their breakup.
You're not part of that story.
Yeah, like, before, Barbie and I never really text. Especially nung sila. Of course, now, minsan, magkakamustahan lang kayo, di ba? Pero before, we never texted talaga. Swear to God.
Alam mo, katanong-tanong ngayon ko lang din na-realize. Bakit, kung magkatrabaho kayo at kahit may boyfriend pa si Barbie, bakit ilang ka mag-text? Bakit ilan ka mga mustahan? To think na iisang network lang kayo, ha? Mapapatanong ka lang din talaga because dahil si Ginoo, may gusto na din talaga siya before pa kay Barbie. Charas! Mapapaisip ka na lang din talaga eh. Diba? Na parang, okay, alam din naman ng boyfriend ni Jack na magkatrabaho kayo, pero bakit ilang ka mag-message kay Barbie na during may boyfriend pa si Barbie? Kung wala namang mali siya, hindi ka naman maiilang kung walang mali siya, diba? Tama ba ako? Hindi ka maiilang kung walang mali siya, kung pure ang intention mo as a friendship. Hindi ko sinasabing Hindi ko sinasabing may ano si David and everything, pero yan lang naman yung yan lang naman yung take away ko.
So,
Parang inamin ni Ginoo, Charis dito.
Hindi talaga ako parte nun.
No, the point is,
Hindi
kasi
talaga
sabi
pa
mo,
siya
correct
party.
me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Wala kang kinalaman. Walang kinalaman sa paghihiwalay.
Gwapo ni-
Sadly.
Ang gwapo ni Ginoo.
Barbie at saka ni Jack. Oo, hindi.
Ang
Depende.
gwapo ni Ginoo. Ay! Ganda niya talaga. Wala bang bagong chismis doon sa May sariling ring light. Wala bang bagong chismis doon sa 30-30 nila na pinost? Wait lang, dito muna tayo. Ay, okay.
Good morning.
Ay, sino to?
Good morning,
Si James
everyone.
Ticauco.
Another beautiful Sunday
Running
morning
na
here in
naman.
BGC. And because it's another Sunday,
Panoorin
we're
natin
going
to
out for
kasi kapatid to
another
ni
run. Just
ni
a quick
Ginoo.
7-kilometer run. Trying to
Kailangan
get
natin
back to
mahalin
rhythm.
siya. Wah!
And after that, I got Hershey na, as you can see, super excited niya na nakalabas na yun siya finally after a long while. Finally getting that sunlight, meeting other dogs, and just touching some grass. And because I know that mom will be done with her reformer class by 8:50, we decided to just wait for her so we can all go home together.
Parang si
So
David din. Parang si David din yung boses. My God. Ay, eto na. Easy well, love. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen. Grabe, dalagang-dalaga si Barbie, no? Ready na, hinog na, para kay Barbie, Ginoo. What? Charas! Hindi ganon! Bakit ganon? Grabe, oh. Na para bang ready na talaga siya mag-asawa. Ems! Ngayon yung sabihin mali ako for today's video. Diba? I'm just easy well in love. I'm busy ako. Charis! Tama ba to? Okay. Anyways. Ay, panoorin natin to. Ay. Bakit galit na naman yung Ginoo natin? Ang daming bagong edits, ah. Ay, at tinalikuran na nga ni Binibining Clay si Ginoo. Okay, what's next? Ay, ito, panoorin natin. Wait lang, may ita-type lang ako. Sana may event bukas. Ay, panoorin natin ito. Ay, si Queen Dora. Ay, si Kim Chu. Ay, dito ba si Barbie? Ang alam ko eh. Ay, hindi natin ito napanood. Ay, naging tumba patis na si Barbie. Bakit naman parang alam niyo yung ibig sabihin ng tumba patis? Alam niyo, ay, ano to? Ay, ito. Yung ilangan. Panoorin natin to. Yung ilangan. Awa talaga ako dito sa ilangan nila.
Good morning.
Ay, hello. Good morning.
Thank you so much
Na para
for
ba?
joining us. And of course, we have the ever so charming Mr. Alden Richard.
Ever so charming. Atake sa pagpapakilala, ha?
Kapag may narinig... Ay, there we go. Okay?
Okay.
Happy morning, guys!
Ito yung mga... Parang hindi natin ito napanood. Pero parang, I don't know, hindi lang ako sure. Ay, ang gwapo naman. Anyways, ang mura ng gold ngayon sa Saudi. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Cage Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!